Hello and welcome to Coombe Junction, Halt railway station. Situated on the Loo Valley line with a very restricted service with only 2 a day in each direction. Further up the line up there, where you see the level crossing going over, is where the train normally stops to turn around. However, 4 times a day it comes to the station, opens the doors, shuts the doors and goes, and turns around at the station instead. It seems a bit weird why it does that, but at least it serves the station at least once a day. Situated on the Lemenian Road, it has a very peaceful, quaint and quiet, almost woody atmosphere. Coming down the path into the station, you have to open and close the gate and head down this footpath where you see information signs already. To get to the station you must walk along the former Moorswater cement terminal line, which is now disused. It heads underneath the Moorswater viaduct, which I showed you when I stood on top of that bridge. There's a former signaller's hut there too, and where the signaller used to have to change the points or whatnot. So imagine, there used to be 2 tracks here. It looks wide enough. We're heading up to the platform. It's a rather short platform. It fits about 1 coach. Used to be an exact fit for a class 153, but they don't use them anymore, so it's a bit pointless now. It fits about 1 and a little bit of a coach of a 150. We'll see in a bit. Yeah. There's a lovely little shelter here. There's no lighting, because I did come down here at about 2 o'clock this morning. It was 3 o'clock and here's the footage. This is Coombe Junction, Halt, at 3:30 in the morning. It's very peaceful. Very dark. Anyway, back to the video. And it was very dark. So I thought, yeah, because I'm staying around here just for tonight, I thought I'd come and have a look, and wow, it was dark. Yeah. There's a help point here, and the train timetable. And that's about it. We've got a small little history poster here. Probably one that not many people read. And this lovely waiting room, which is quite nice actually, really. It's very quite quaint, and the cream and brown as well, like the old GWR. I think this whole line is based on that sort of heritage, but not heritage, if you know what I mean. Heading down here heads towards Coombe House. I've not actually been down here yet, so I shall have a look. I'm unsure of what that is, but it looks like it's been there a long time. Also means the rail's been there a long time. But yeah, wow. It's really nice to just walk alongside the train line like this, you know what I mean? Like, if you could walk the whole way to Loo along this, I would. Because it's just really nice. Signaller's path here, I believe. There's a small road crossing here for the Coombe House, and just for the Coombe House, I believe. I'm not sure if there's anything else up there. Yeah, a small road there. A quick look down the line at where the train turns around, stops in here. So I believe there's a signaller here. I'm not sure if the driver does it nowadays or not, but I think there's a signal, I'm not sure. Maybe certain points in the day the driver does it. Yeah, if you come over here, I don't really know why I'm coming over here to, so I don't need to. You can see the station in the distance. I think it's really quite cool. Just about to see the viaduct. Shame the trees have grown out since, because there's pictures online, people have stood here, you've got the station and you can see the viaduct really well, but you can't really do that anymore. Maybe in the winter when the leaves go. But yeah, station entrance, Coombe Junction Halt. Second entrance. A lot of stations only have one entrance, so count yourself lucky. There's a little stream down here. I do quite like that. Canal Lock 22. Just full up in mud. Huge cricket just flew out at me. The Loo Valley line. Turn your head sideways and read. Yeah, it's really quite nice here. Arriving now is my service to Loo. However, this video is not over yet, as I'm going to come back here a bit later, as I do want to see a train depart from here as well. That would be really, really cool. But yeah, here it comes. The Coombe Junction Halt service, first one of the morning. It echoes all around the valley. Fits actually. Wow. Here's the train parked up at Coombe Junction. It's time to get on. I'm expecting the train to fit fully on the platform. You can see here again, after leaving Coombe, it stops at its usual stopping point to then change the points to go down to the Loo Valley line. Then get changed back once the train goes over. It's really quite interesting, and the guard has to run to get back to the train to check tickets and buzz and whatever. Now the guard has a token in her hand, training guard, quite a good job. And as soon as they're in, they'll buzz and the train can leave. It's really quite interesting. And then off it goes. Yeah, if they really wanted to, they could have a every half an hour service here and have the 2 trains pass here. It's the only real passing route on the line that would be possible. They'd have to stop quite close to each other. But yeah, it would work, and it would probably mean half-hourly service. Well, I thank you very much for watching this video here at Coombe Junction Halt. It's been a lovely day, as you can tell. It's a lot later in the day from when you first started watching. And it's definitely a lot later in the day from when I was here at 2 in the morning. About 12 hours after. But yeah, I thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed, make sure to smash the thumbs up button, leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you very, very soon in the next video. Until then, it's bye-bye for now from me. Cheers, guys.